Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to add code in Wix website. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to admin it. So first of all, have to open your site editor and now click on this add icon and now select embed and select custom embed and click on embed a widget and now drag the embed to wherever you want and now click on the embed area and click on enter code and select your code, and now you can easily enter your code here and then click on apply. So this is how we can add code on Wix. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to admin it. Thank you for watching.